Can you really have it all without spending all your money? Absolutely, and Temu proves it. This revolutionary platform delivers premium quality at budget-friendly prices. From latest smartphone accessories to stunning jewelry, from practical kitchen gadgets to cozy home textiles, Temu covers every aspect of modern living. The secret? Direct manufacturer partnerships, efficient logistics, and customer-focused business model. This means more value in your cart and money staying in wallet. Temu's daily deals offer time-limited discounts, saving you even more on already competitive prices. The platform celebrates special occasions with mega sales, turning regular shopping days into exciting festivals of savings. Customer reviews provide honest feedback, helping you make informed decisions with confidence. Checkout is streamlined and secure with multiple payment options, including credit cards and digital wallets. Shipping is surprisingly fast with package tracking keeping you updated. Want to experience this revolution? Find link and exclusive coupon code in description and comments below. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're committed to bringing you absolute best deals in digital marketplace every week.